going to give you a little brief tour of our Boardwalk studio. So this is our entrance. It's massive, so there's plenty of room for your cases and everything, just to store them. So you come through, first thing you come to is the kitchen, and we've got a huge fridge, full-size fridge, lovely, microwave and toaster, plates and things are in the top. We've got a full sink and your bins underneath, and then you swing round and we have got the dresser and sink, and we have a mirror and a shaving mirror. We've got the hairdryer, our wardrobe, standard Disney wardrobe, plenty of hangers. This is our safe. It's one of the old style skinny ones, but big enough for what we need. And something to hold your luggage on if we need it. Extra pillows and blankets at the top. I'll just pull out a bit because I'm a bit close, that's better. That's that area there. And this is the bathroom. So we've got, it's a new shower curtain, that's new from when we're here in November. Plenty of towels, loo and shower, and take away H2Os. Always a good thing, always nice to stock up at home. So, and then the bathtub, which is next to the floor, on there. So coming through here, you've got the main room. Sorry, I've got our cases everywhere because I'm just about to unpack. So we've got a nice double queen, probably queen king bed, nice bed, and then we have a sofa. Now it's a double sofa which also pulls out into a 2-bed sofa bed as well. And in addition to that, we also have the pull down Murphy bed. So in effect, you could fit 6 people in here. I mean, it would be a bit cramped unless you were all, you know, if you've got kids, it would be ideal. I've got 2 chairs and the little table, and this is a new addition because we didn't have one of these last time. It was just an ordinary chair, a lovely sitting chair. Overlooking there's a little river out, a little lake out there, and the Skyliner, Hollywood Studios, you just go to over there. And the car park's over there as well. So we're on the ground floor. Lovely artwork on the walls. It's a Boardwalk theme, so it's really all to do with fun fairs. We've got no Mickey and Minnie type of paraphernalia in here, unfortunately. The telly is massive, which is great. It's a ginormous telly. Plenty of USBs. We've got plugs and switches and USBs here, and there isn't any by the bed, but I think we have plugs. They are about to do the Boardwalk rooms out, so they're all getting refurbed and everything this year. So they should be getting all the up-to-date gadgets and gizmos in the next few months. Oh, there is this as well, I forgot to show you. This is some storage as well, loads of drawers here. Suitable, and plenty of space on the top there. And it's the mega old air conditioning there, but it's lovely and comfortable in here.